Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So I finally got last week's vlog uploaded a week late. So I'm going to try and do another vlog this week, another similar vlog really, because I'm not going anywhere and doing anything, but maybe make it just a bit shorter this time, because the last one was 22 minutes, got a bit carried away. So yeah, I'm going to make it a bit shorter, see if I can get this one uploaded on time and try and get 4 out before Christmas. Anyway, today is Sunday and it is throwing it down. The weather has just been shocking. I have a couple of orders to pack and get ready today. I've got one to deliver locally, and then yeah, we'll just see what happens on Sunday. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Look, darling. Okay. You had to pick leg in. Good morning. One of the perks of being back at home is listening to my dad play the guitar. We're quite a musical family. I play 5 instruments. Well, I don't anymore. I used to. I have played 5 instruments in the past. And he's always tinkling about on the old guitar. It's nice. So I'm just about to pack up some more orders. I've got 3 wax melts going out to 3 different people, and then I've got 2 candles for one and 1 for another. One of them is a gift as well, so that's like a bit of a personalised little note on the back of one of the cards. But I just thought I'd show you from my last vlog. If you watched my last vlog, it was all about sort of like a bit of a behind the scenes about what I do with my business, and in that you will have seen during one of the time lapses I've got this big roll of biodegradable bubble wrap. And I was sort of pulling it up and cutting it and wrapping everything by hand. Well, anyway, the same bubble wrap is now in bags, which has made my life so much easier. So basically, everything just goes in the bag and then you just seal it over like that, and it's so much quicker. So I just thought I'd show you that little improvement that I've made. The bubble wrap is still the same biodegradable stuff, and it's also made from recycled plastic, so it's still nice and environmentally friendly as far as plastics go. So yeah. So I'm back in the spare room now. I did a load of, this is a bit weird, isn't it? I did a load of wax melt pouring a couple of days ago, but I just wanted to show you because I've come up with like a little idea. Because so when I'm doing my pouring, sometimes I get my calculations a little bit out. Maths isn't my strong point. Or generally the scales, because they get like covered in wax and stuff, they just weigh a little bit heavier than what I've measured out. So basically what I've been doing is filling up the clamshells with just the wastage, but there's not enough in them to sell as like a genuine, you know, product, because they're a little bit shallow. I like to fill my wax melts right up so that the customer gets the most, because it doesn't cost me anymore, you know, or it's pennies if it does. So what I thought I'd do is, instead of wasting these, or you know, having to remelt them and stuff and having to separate all the fragrances, I thought I'd break them off and sort of tidy them up a little bit and send them out as free samples in my orders. So say for example, if somebody orders something from the Christmas collection, which really I should have thought about this earlier and started doing it earlier. If somebody orders something from the Christmas collection, I can send them like a little selection of melts from the home collection, so hopefully that will prompt, you know, people to go, oh, that's nice, and maybe buy some more. That's what I'm going to do with these ones. I've got a couple of squares, and then I've got some of these wagon wheel ones as well. I love these. I think these are so nice. But this actual clamshell is so hard to get hold of. There's only one supplier in the UK that sells them. So, yeah, this is what they look like when they come out of their thing, like out of their shell. And then you just crack them in half and just stick that in your melt, in your burner. But yeah, these are the ones that I'm going to send out. These ones are sticky toffee pudding, and they're so nice. I could eat them. Yeah, just break them up. They look like chocolate, don't they? And then I'm going to stick them in like some cute little paper bags, I think. And yeah, send them out. Why not? May as well. Like I say, I'd rather that. My company is not about the waste life. You know, that's a big part of my branding is eco-friendly, vegan friendly, etc, etc, and you know, trying to aim for zero waste as much as possible in my, you know, my candle making process, and for the customer as well, for the packaging and stuff. So yeah, I think this is a good way. So if you are a candle maker and you find yourself with a bucket load of wastage, try pouring them into moulds and sending them out as little freebies, because it could be a good upselling opportunity for you. And maybe people will see them and go, oh, I like that. Especially if you sell like the wax burners as well, you know, maybe someone will come back and buy a wax burner from you and a wax melt, and then maybe more candles. Who knows? But you know, it's an opportunity. I don't mind doing it. It gives someone like a little freebie as well. Everyone loves a freebie. It is now Monday. I've had a sale on my Scent From Candles page all weekend. I've had quite a few orders, but I did say in my last vlog that I was going to tell you the realities of running a new business, and I mentioned about stock as well. So if you haven't seen that, then I'll link it up here somewhere for you to go and have a watch. But basically, I've had my first accident, shall I say, with stock. So I miscalculated, or I don't know really how it happened, because I'm normally quite rigorous with stuff like this and with my stock, and I check on it daily, etc. But I think I've just sold more than what I thought I had. So anyway, I got an order in yesterday from someone who wanted to buy a particular candle, and I didn't actually have it in stock. So I'm on a time restraint here now, because my last shipping date is tomorrow for Christmas dispatch. Luckily, I emailed the woman and she told me that she'd ordered them for a new year, to start off her new year sort of scents, because she's already had a couple of Christmas ones off me. So she said there was no rush, which I'm so pleased about, because with soy wax candles, you have to leave them. My minimum is like 3 to 4 days to rest and settle, to get the nice smooth tops on them, but really they need up to about a week or two for them to be, you know, really, really decent smelly candles. So I always try and do that time frame, or incorporate that time frame into my production. But anyway, I had one bite me on the arse yesterday, but it's not a big deal, and luckily my customer was so lovely about it, and yeah, lesson learned. So just continuing from that, every day this week I'm going to be pouring candles and getting all my stock like really up to date, preparing for my new launch in January, which is coming, which I'm really excited about. I've got 2 launches actually. Not many people watch these videos, so I'll just give you like a little sneak peek into what's going on. So in January I have a new some more cities coming, so sort of like early spring sort of vibes, you know, florals, some quite luxury cities in that collection. There's 4 new cities coming. One of them as well, I think will go down, or I'm hoping will go down well with some brides, because it's quite a popular wedding destination abroad. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I also have another thing in the works, which I'm hoping will go down well, but I'm not entirely sure how it's going to go down, but I'm not really sure how to explain it to you without giving it away. So I'm not going to. One little tiny thing as well, and I did mention it earlier on in this video I think as well, is I've ordered my paper bags for my samples. I've got some more wastage here, which are samples that I'm going to be sending out with some orders starting in the new year. So yeah, really excited about that. There's some big things coming for Sent From. Today I just hit 80 sales on my Etsy page, which I'm chuffed to bits about, but all in all I'm so close to 100 sales now because I've had a few personal ones over email as well. So yeah, I'm really excited. Everything's going really well. So I've got Robin that lives in the warehouse. Oh my god, someone's used my car as target practice, law. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh. Do you ever feel like everyone's looking at you? I'm sat in the queue for the car wash now. Everyone's like looking. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. My poor car. So this is the aftermath of me making candles. Just crap everywhere. But I got some fresh linens done. I've got a new one here, which is cooling, and then I've got a couple of sticky toffees, and then these are just my samples. Look at this mess everywhere. And then I've got some here to tag. Oh god. And this is currently what I'm dealing with. Oh, that's better. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you. So while we're on like the business kind of vlogs and, you know, me sort of talking to you about setting up a brand and making candles and, you know, sort of the backstage of the business kind of thing, I just thought I'd share this with you. So I've been listening to a podcast this evening by Stephen Bartlett. Now, I'm going to be honest, I've never heard of him before. And his podcast is called The Diary of a CEO, which I've listened to 3 episodes tonight while I've been creating this mess. And he's so inspiring. Like, some of the stuff he says on there doesn't really apply to me yet, but it's just really good advice for anyone who wants to like think big about their business and grow their business and do what they love every day. That's definitely where my mind is at. It's been like that for a long time. Always been in my blood. You know, before, oh God, how many businesses have I tried and failed at? Like, so many. But the only other one I've had, which was while I was at uni, and it was like just a little side hustle, was I was a beautician. And I used to do nails and waxing and stuff like that in between uni. So that ran for nearly 3 years and made me a fair bit of money, to be honest. So that was quite a success. And the only reason I closed that down is because I got a full-time job and just didn't have time for my clients anymore, which was really sad. But I'd definitely go back to that in the future if I ever had to. But yeah, his podcast is really good. If anyone knows of any other business podcasts that they'd recommend, just let me know and leave them in the comments below, because I'm really into podcasts at the moment and I just find them so motivational. And like I said in my last one, you know, any books, any business books or anything that you can recommend to me, people to follow on Instagram, just let me know, because I definitely want to sort of surround myself with like-minded people, even if I'm never going to meet them. They do say that you're the average of the 5 people you see the most, as in like visually. So yeah, any sort of business minded people, then just let me know. So yeah, I'm finished now with my candle making for tonight. I've done a new scent for the home collection, which I'm really excited about because I think it's going to be my best one yet. I think. Although it's going to be really hard for me to beat Baby Powder and Sticky Toffee because they're my 2 favourites. But it is a good one, and I think the concept behind it's really good as well. And I've just looked at myself in this camera and I look like a shit. So I'm going to go and get in the shower now and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hiya, it is now Wednesday evening, but I've just popped on just to finish this vlog, actually, because I haven't filmed anything today because I've just been at work, but I just wanted to say as well, thank you so much to everyone who's watched my last video. It's had quite a few views, like in terms of my, small channel, so far, so I'm really chuffed with that, and I hope people are finding it helpful as well, like sort of me being quite upfront and honest about my business and things without sort of giving anything away too much, but I do hope it's helped people. In my next video, I think I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think I'm gonna film a video focused around the admin side of running a business, because I've got so much to do. I've got all my Etsy listings to update. My shop looks an absolute mess at the minute because there's barely anything in stock, because I've taken all the Christmas stuff down now, or it's sold out, so yeah, it just looks a bit embarrassing at the minute. So I need to update that, and I need to update my shipping charges and things like that, and I need to download all the CSVs and start getting my tax in order and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I might focus my next video on that sort of stuff. So if you want to see all the sort of nitty-gritty of a business, all the paperwork side of things, rather than the actual production, then subscribe to this channel. I'd love you to come and have a look and have a watch and learn and grow with me, really. I hope it helps you with your own businesses. And I hope yous have all been successful in the lead up to Christmas as well. But for now, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a like and all that jazz, and I will see you in the next one.